Oh, well, hello there. I'm Hannah from the Kansas City, Kansas Public Libraries, the Turner branch specifically, and I will be teaching you how to make this duct tape rose. Supplies check. All right, if you're making this from home, you will need red duct tape, green duct tape, and a pencil. However, if you go to the library, we will have all these materials available for you to pick up next week. So you will need about 12 pieces of red duct tape. It will be between 2 and 3 inches long. And then you will need one lonely piece of green duct tape. It's about 5 inches long. This is going to be the leaves on the bottom. Starting out with your smallest piece of red duct tape, you're going to fold 2 corners in. Now make sure that you leave some space at the bottom for the adhesive so that it can grab onto your pencil. There we go. That looks good. Now, if you want to keep the pointy end, you can. A lot of people like the pointy ends. However, I wanted mine to look a little bit more rounded, so I'm going to cut that. Just a tiny bit. Just like that. Nice. And that's what you're going to do for most of the petals. So we take our pencil, I'm going to put this on here, like that, and just roll it around. Might move it up a little bit actually. There we go. Just roll all the way around. Ta-da! I'm going to prep all my petals in advance so they're ready to go just like this one. So these are my petals, they're all ready to go. It's time to add them onto my rose. So I am just quickly putting this on here. I try to angle them up a tiny bit, but not a whole lot because we don't want them to flare out too much before it's time. There's one. Add on the second one, and the easiest way to figure out where to put them for me is I figure out where I want the peak to be. So this one, since the peak is over here, I kind of want the peak to be over here for this one. And you're just going to add all the other ones on, just like that. There you go. Like a beautiful pine cone. Now it's time for our green piece. waited so long, and now it's finally his moment to shine. You're going to fold this down like this. Again, we're going to leave adhesive at the bottom so that it can stick. Alright, looks good, right? Looks like grass, huh? Just kidding. We're gonna cut some leaves. Here we go. You just make a nice, zigzag. And you can do wider ones if you want. They don't have to all be the same. It's like a mini Christmas tree farm. Okay, so now to attach this onto our rose here, just kind of push at the bottom and make sure it's pointing up. Might look a little messy at first, but we'll cover it up with some wood. There you go. There you go. Your duct tape rose is complete and ready to be given to your beauty or your beast. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to stop and smell the duct tape. Or flowers. I don't know. Bye!